Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the updated Captions app and signing in. This gives you cloud sync and presets. Once signed in, grant the microphone, storage, and camera permissions so transcription and media access work. Next, tap the plus or new project button to import an existing video or record live footage. Make sure to choose the correct language and audio source immediately, because that setting determines transcription accuracy and caption timing as you move into editing. Once your file loads, review the auto-generated transcript and use the waveform and timestamp scrubber to align captions precisely with speech. You should edit words inline for correctness and split or join caption blocks to keep lines readable. Aim for 1-2 seconds per short caption. Then customize appearance. Adjust font size, color, and background contrast to meet accessibility needs and platform specs. Also check speaker labels and punctuation so viewers can follow conversation flow. Finish by exporting captions in the format your platform requires, SRT or VTT for uploads, or burned-in captions if you need permanent text. Once exported, test the file on the target device and media player to confirm timing and encoding. If captions appear out of sync or garbled, rerun transcription with the app's noise reduction and clearer audio, then use manual timing adjustments. Alternatively, correct key phrases by hand. This single troubleshooting step fixes most timing and accuracy problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.